Today Mr. Zombie went out for some work, and this is my golden chance to make the video, and I want to just say something to you guys. Today this video will not have any disturbance or mess made by Mr. Zombie as he is not in the home.
Hey!
Shut the up. Shut the
Anyways, making a video in absence of Mr. Zombie is pretty boring, right? I think you all came to know that we are going to discuss about the 5 types of rich in this episode, and I also know that many of you guys who are watching this episode haven't watched the previous 4 episodes. So I please you to go to the description and find the link of those 4 episodes and watch those episodes also. That makes you much understanding on this episode. Okay, fine. Now we are going to discuss about the 5 types of writs. The Supreme Court under Article 32 and the High Courts under Article 226 can issue these 5 types of writs: habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, and quo warranto. So names of these writs sound somewhat weird, I know that, but these writs are very powerful and most essential also. Further, the Parliament can empower any courts to issue these 5 types of writs. Since no such provision has been so far, only High Courts and Supreme Courts can issue these 5 types of writs. Before 1950, High Courts of only Calcutta, Bombay and Madras have power to issue these writs, but now Article 226 empowers all the High Courts of the states to issue these writs. First, let's know about habeas corpus. Habeas corpus is a Latin term, literally means to have a body of. So now, picture this: a person has been detained or arrested, and he has completed his punishment in the jail for 10 years, and the court has decided to put him in jail more 14 years. So this arrested person's relatives, parents, guardians, friends, or any of the people related to him have a right to fight for him using this habeas corpus writ. So this writ is mostly useful for them. So by using this writ, those relatives, friends, or any of the guardians can go to court and ask for justice, and if these people's argument is meaningful, have some law in it, so court can release the arrested person. So this is really a powerful and major writ among all the writs, and also this is used many times. Now we are going to know about mandamus. Mandamus is literally means that we command. So it is a command issued by the court to a public official who has refused to do his official duties. So this is court will be asking to that public official to perform your duties. Why did you refuse your duties? You have to perform your duties to this official. Prohibition. Literally it means to forbid. It is issued by a higher court to a lower court to prevent the latter from exceeding its jurisdiction. Thus, unlike mandamus that directs activity, the prohibition directs inactivity. The writ of prohibition can be issued only against judicial and quasi-judicial authorities. It is not available against administrative authorities, legislative bodies, and private individuals or bodies. Certiorari. In the literal sense, it means to be certified or to be informed. It is issued by a higher court to a lower court or tribunal, either to transfer a case pending with the latter to itself or to quash the order of the latter in a case. It is issued on the grounds of excess of jurisdiction or lack of jurisdiction or error of law. Thus, unlike prohibition, which is only preventive, certiorari is both preventive as well as curative. Previously, the writ of certiorari could be issued only against judicial and quasi-judicial authorities and not against administrative authorities. However, in 1991, the Supreme Court ruled that the certiorari can be issued even against administrative authorities affecting rights of individuals. Quo warranto. In the literal sense, it means by what authority or warrant. So this is our last writ in the episode. It is issued by the court to inquire into the legality of claim of a person to a public office. Hence, it prevents illegal usurpation of public office by a person. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you don't want to miss any of the updates and videos from my channel, please subscribe to Mavfi and press the bell icon. So you will get notifications only if you press the bell icon, so don't forget to press the bell icon. And at the last, I want to say only one thing: health is wealth. Stay home and stay safe. I will be back with another interesting video.